Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the MacBook easily and quickly. There is a kit available for cleaning this MacBook Pro. I'm not referring to the Apple cloth which was recently released. It's way too expensive. There is an alternative kit which we're going to unbox it and see how efficient it is in cleaning this MacBook, right? So what I'm going to do is let me move this MacBook aside. So this is the kit I was talking about. This is called Gizga Essentials Gadget Cleaning Kit. So this comes with a cleaning liquid, a brush and a microfiber cloth. The MRP is 499 rupees. It's imported from Hong Kong. However, in Amazon you get it at a discounted price for 249 rupees, which is reasonable when compared to the Apple's polishing cloth, which is really expensive, 1900 rupees. In my opinion, I don't think anyone here in India is going to buy a cloth for 1900 rupees. Moreover, this looks more like a mouse pad for me. Don't you agree? Maybe the material is superior, but I don't think it's really required to use this cloth to clean your Mac. Let's get back to the kit. Right, so let's remove this package. Okay, this cloth is of this size. It's not as big as I expected, but this should be fine. It's a decent size to clean your laptop screen and your smartphone screen. This is the cleaning liquid, 100 ml. So it says it's effective in removing oil and smudges, fingerprints, dust, and there is an instruction on how to use this, right? And of course, this is the dust removal brush. So let's use this to clean my MacBook. You can see here there is dust accumulated over here. And even the screen has some fingerprints. There is dust accumulated on the screen. I'm not sure you can see in this camera, but I can definitely see that. Even there are minute dust particles on the keys. Right, so the first thing what I'm going to do is clear the dust with the use of brush. So I just have to gently apply the brush inside here so the dust particles are removed. You can do it on the keyboard as well. So this shouldn't be used on the screen. Ideally nothing will happen, but in order to clean the screen, there's a dedicated cloth which I just showed. So this is particularly to remove the dust on the keyboard or on this surface. And it's more useful especially in this particular area because it's a bit narrow here and this will easily go inside and clear the dust. Before cleaning the screen with this liquid, it's recommended that your device is turned off. There is a nozzle here where this liquid comes out when you press on the top. So the first thing what you need to do is you don't have to apply this on the screen directly. First you need to apply this liquid on this cloth. You can see here. So this should be enough. And you can hold it, clean your Mac. This cloth is really smooth. This is a microfiber cloth. Unlike a regular cloth, this is specifically designed to clean laptop screen, smartphone screen, and so on. So if you want to clean it again, you can simply apply this liquid. So once that is done, you can use the dry area to remove some excess moisture on the screen. Ideally, this cloth is designed only to clean the screen. For this particular surface, you can use the brush. I think that should be enough. I can see that the screen is clean now and then. You can use this kit to clean your screen once in a week. So I like this brush specifically because the material is some kind of nylon and it's very sleek. As I mentioned earlier, it's useful to clean the keys and the dust accumulation on the edge of the keys. So this is really helpful. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Cheers.